What is radical love in friendships?
Radical love in friendship. Friendship, like romance, is a relationship between equals. Radical love in friendship means showing up for one another, even when it is hard or uncomfortable. People make mistakes, some enormous and terrifying, and they need to know that they can rely on love of a good friend no matter what their feelings. Close friends often see each other both at their absolute best and absolute worst. They can have incredible insight into one another's lives. Friends are the people most likely to be able to speak truth to a mess or identify the areas in which you are struggling or stumbling. These types of conversations require radical love on the part of both friends. The friend speaking must practice non-judgment in offering a reproach, and the friend listening must do so without anger, judgment, or condemnation.